If you are a patient who is looking to know what options you have to optimize your smile, a free consultation is a good way to find out, because there's different options, different treatment modalities out there by which we can enhance cosmetics or restore broken teeth or missing teeth. And some of the options that are out there are, for example, a veneer. Maybe the tooth needs an entire new face in order to give it a beautiful appearance, where maybe the structure's okay, but it just is turned a little, or it's off color, or maybe it's misshapen. Veneers can be a great option for one or multiple teeth that have this issue. And these things are issues that can be explored in a free consultation, where a mock-up can be done, options can be discussed, and we can actually show you what it would look like in your mouth before you go forward with any treatment, so you know exactly what you're getting. However, perhaps a veneer isn't sufficient if a tooth is very broken down or decayed or even broken, fractured off, pieces missing. If we have a strong root, we can fix the top just about any way we need to with a beautiful crown. Our crowns are made out of zirconia, so they're extremely durable. And they're also very beautiful. They look just like they grew in the mouth. You won't be able to tell a natural tooth from a zirconia crown when they're done at New Smile. And a patient can get a crown on the same day at New Smile by simply requesting a morning appointment. We can prepare the crown, we can have our in-house lab create that crown under my supervision. It will be ready within as little as 3 hours, and we can seat it in the afternoon. We are very passionate about finding that one perfect solution that is just right for you. So if you are a person who would like to see some smile enhancement, come on in for a free consultation and let's see what we can do for you. We are just a phone call away.